Part 1 of Chapter 5, Sheikh Salahuddin Faridun, surnamed Zer-Kub, the Gold Beater. Sheikh Salahuddin was originally a fellow disciple with Jalal. As pupils to Sayyid Burhanuddin, he afterwards became a gold beater as his parents were poor. After a while, when Jalal's reputation became great, Salah went and paid him his respects. Jalal knew how highly Burhan had esteemed Salah when his pupil. He therefore received him in a very friendly manner, and their intercourse became warmly renewed. Communication. One day, after the murder of Shamsuddin and the return of Jalal from Damascus, he sent for Salah and appointed him his own assistant in the government and instruction of the disciples, presenting him also to the king in that capacity. And sometimes the students, you can say, aren't like that when they're older, but you communicate, you accept them based on the past, and you are people you knew when you were younger, right? And then you once they've proven that yeah they're still that or even better, then you can help them get in positions according to your ability or whatever.